Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get WhatsApp Meta AI. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on the device and go to the Communities tab by tapping on the bottom center option on your device. And now open any of your community and tap on the chat text box you see there. Now go ahead and type in @Meta AI. WhatsApp will then show you the option to access the Meta AI chatbot on your specific WhatsApp group and send some more prompts and use the AI software depending on what you want. Now, if you cannot see this in your WhatsApp application, then you do not have to worry, as WhatsApp only periodically rolls out this update on selected devices and selected users, and also on selected countries. So if your country does not have this option yet, then all you have to do is wait until this feature is available in your country. And until then, you can hover over to App Store and search for WhatsApp there, and keep updating the application just to make sure that you are using the latest version. So that's basically how you can get WhatsApp Meta AI. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.